Okay, so you have problems with keyboard. Let me show you how to fix it. So click on Start menu, Control Panel, and here you need to find Easy of Access. Click on it. Click on it again, is Access Center. And here you can open Start on Screen Keyboard. So now you can you can use virtual keyboard in case if yours not working. It's temporary if unnecessary. So what you need to do is click on Start menu, Run, and type the following command. So this command will help you to open Device Manager. You can also open Device Manager by simply clicking here in search and typing Device Manager and selecting that from the list. So here it is. So click on Device Manager. New window will be open, and here you can see keyboard. Click on it and expand it. Right click on your keyboard and click on Update Driver Software. Here you need to select Browse My Computer for driver software. And here you need to select Let me pick up from the list. Here is a list of supported keyboards. Click on Next. And here you should receive that driver successfully installed. But in my case, I'm facing error because I'm using already latest version of keyboard. So I try again, but still facing this error. So in your case, everything should be working good. Okay, so last what you should do is restart your computer and your keyboard should work fine again.